First over of the day.
That's kept low, and Headley has lost 2 stumps. An immediate breakthrough for Ambrose. He's picked up all 3 wickets now.
Inside movement as well, ball coming in.
Not much doubt about that. That is kept low. It's also darted back about 2 feet off the seam, and it's made a horrible mess of the ash behind Michael Atherton. Brilliantly bowled by Cook.
Yes, I'll come back to that in a minute. Here's Pollock. Bowled him right through. Rahul Dravid's stump has gone for a long walk. And once again, it is Sean Pollock the goalkeeper.
He was going to give you out.
Pakistan is on top in Karachi. Swing away, and then this one just held its line. Coming in as well a little bit.
All bowled in beauty. Pitch it up, swing it back in, bullseye.
Picked it up just inches away from the boundary line.
Oh, superb delivery by Shoaib Akhtar. Rahul Dravid played all over it. Just what the Pakistanis needed. The rock for it.
Bowled. Off stump goes for a spin. Very good delivery from Rana Naveed. Bowled. Change of angle has done the trick. Again, a little over ambitious here.
Oh, what a breakthrough.
That's all over for Hubbard. Stumps lie all over the place. It was always on with the night watchman coming in, but that was a magnificent delivery.
Bowled him again. What an over. Standing out to be just a hint of movement away from Gautam Gambhir. And Mitchell Johnson is on fire. Cleans him up. What a ball. Second time in the series, Lakshman's off stump goes for a toss. This is good bowling.
Oh, bowled with an inducker. Oh, what a beauty.
Tendulkar's confidence.
He bowled him. That's what Donald wanted, and he goes on a celebratory run. He has uprooted Tendulkar's off stump.
Oh, he's bowling. What a fabulous delivery that had Waqar Yunus written all over it. A Yorker on the leg stump. Brian Lara tried to get away from it. Couldn't get the bat down in time. And an absolutely remarkable delivery gets rid of one of the finest batsmen in the world. You will remember this one for a while, particularly when you watch it on television. Brian Lara.
Wasim Akram to Kerr.
Oh, and a tremendous delivery there from Wasim. A late swinging Yorker, and just the start that the young left-hander needed.
Series against Australia. Oh, knocked him over with a beauty. Here it is again. Look at that ball hoop back. That's a beauty. That's a terrific delivery.
The same delivery, a little straight to Stephanie, fireworks here for Shoaib Akhtar. He is delighted. That is a very